My name is Endalew Walelign from Haramaya University, Ethiopia. I am here in Uganda taking this training, very insightful training, which I have learned a lot of things about blog writing, video preparation, and farmer experience sharing in rural areas on biofertilizer production, where I have learned a lot of indigenous knowledge and scientific procedures. I will be using the outputs of this training for my postgraduate and undergraduate teaching activities. I will prepare similar events for different agricultural stakeholders, including development agents, development partners, my community, my university community at large, and I will make information, knowledge accessible to all the audiences in my reach. I am grateful for RUFORUM and Access Agriculture for providing me this golden opportunity to get experience about blog establishment, video production, and knowledge sharing with the farmers. I am very much grateful for the opportunity, and I am proud to be here at Uganda for this event. Thank you very much.